Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Margo bengi ya mwanchu muligereria wigetaseni kia Ndizi TV Chinsa Ikomi chabano margoba ekerone aliganire kuruga igase studio nkumanye asenchira yobwenge na aralia ya agendrete gokoreka aseli robalito lya gusi na Kenya engima nabo kogendera gotobwatia gwetera semitandao yaitu ya Facebook na Ndizi TV News nabo igo YouTube Ndizi TV News na karobate chingaki nabo go tweet @Ndizi TV News rero nelituko liria ekyombe kiriya chorwane ekyombe kyobacholi ne chimbebe IEBC Dispute Tribunal Committee kyanyara ko bage koruo kunacha abwase bono kya mwancheire musubati wa Vinyandeti korwase county ya Machakos ocha kurwanerera ekirogo kyobo governor wetera sekya kya Wiper una yarenge korwa bwelitangani chingaki oyokolie kirogo kyobo Senate county ya Kiambu asilieta Karungo anyara koba atancheirwe osetancheire ocha koligia ekirogo kyo asechingencho chigo chikobwatia togocha korora gocha samangana ito amajya byamono asoko gendera koligereria ngoira nande asegeke kekirobosyo egaren kumanya senchira yobo ikiranu gosa senchira yobwenge naralia yana kwaliganeirie ase chingaki echiga Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita no leto kubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta tigato ya chake korase county ya Nairobi chinga kibono omorai wiki kia UDA William Ruto anyara ko bakagwikirana ase kanisa ya Roysambu emambe ya bono asanyara ko bakagusanga n'abakristo asalia chira ao agochia gwikiraneria ekanisa yo magega yae nigo bono agenda gwika asensemo ya Jacaranda imemo chio Nairobi abo asagendete kwaregania omo sangirikano monene kigima abo asagukwana n'abanainchi korwase ensemeyo nyora abweli tangani chiburaburu nchamo chia kwenekiwa gati yabasae bakomoko boko omobunge oembakasi East Babo Wino amo nababwatani babo mobwo abo asinonya nabo abanyanyimba baswana nagatigati nagukora chingusana necho cyane kiwabo William Ruto nagendrete no musangirikano ye asensemo ya Jacaranda nande tiganko iruki wikase chinsemecho turaiwanaralia ya agendrete asechinga kiechiga
kwa sababu katiba na sheria inasema lazima kila mtu alindwe hasa wale ambao wamefika kiwango cha William Ruto. He is the embodiment of the struggle of the ordinary man in Kenya. He is the embodiment of the struggle of the downtrodden in our country. Sisi tunataka kuomba wa Nairobi tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 kura ya urais mupigie William Samuel Ruto. Wacha tuone kura ya Ruto hapa Nairobi. Hapa Nairobi pia tunawaomba muangalie kijana Johnston Sakaja. Sakaja ameangaishwa na wale watu ambao hata degree zao hazitujui, hatujaziona. Wanasema kusoma. Mimi nimekaa Senate na Sakaja, nimekaa bunge na Sakaja. I know his qualifications, I know his documents. Wacha hii mchezo mnafanyia wa Kenya, you so-called deep state. Jambo langu la mwisho, wana Nairobi, hao watu wanatuonyesha madharau. Tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8, tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8, lazima mkumbuke mimi na Musalia tulitembea na wale wanaturushia mawe. Ukiona mtu anauza ng'ombe mzee sokoni, uliza mchungaji. Mchungaji ndiye anajua hiyo ng'ombe. na sisi tunajua.
Mwanchu muligereria uyo kwanire no senator bwe county ya Bungoma Moses Wetangula uyo nyareko bakagoteba buna serikali ya Kenya kwanza na reisaine asogo chakorosia serikali asobo cholibu mwakoyo obokoreka kitariki kyanda omutienye ogatano na gatatu abwase aboliri abamenyi kurase county ya Nairobi banyareko bakomochora William Ruto buna omurayo gatano ase ense ya Kenya. Mwanchu muligereria inyoranga ekero Ruto arasensemo ya Jakaranda nero murayo bweke makiaude Raila Odinga noale asegeti gechigosori gya Kasarani Stadium abo asibagendrete numojega ekere kanisa gose dini ya abakorino egendrete gochengera emiaka emieyemo korwa ekanisa yewe chaka echakiwa asense ya Kenya. Murayo bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nero mogeni bwesiko bwelituko lya lero kolende ayonte chyokoletera senchera yoboikirano asamangana itamaya akobwatia kerongo kwirana waikase county ya Kisii oyo koligia ekirogo kyobojumbe korwase bunge ya Kitutu cha South Samuel Omwando wano nigo amochirie ensemo y'abagavana bali bakurwa abisi na inde baganetie gotebereria abanainchi omugavana gusabarai bali baligetie bachorwe asobochori bumwakoyo kolengana no Omwando nigatebire abanainchi nigo babwate libaga lya bene ilyo gwechorera abarai barabwo abanyene chinga kiboigo akwanire engana yogosaliwa wechiposta gusichibicha chabarwanereria au asobochori bumwakoyo
yarorekanire abagavana bali barengi chi office all over the republic igo bakora amabe while they were in office bono nigo batagete naende onye ndi nyasako banchira buna baro batagete nigo bayigwetangana abakungu babo na abana babo baire birogo byabo bono go bagasa ine gonya koligia abairi na abasani babo ngabaire birogo tuabayigule batakire gosoanana the independence of elections etuari koboria IEPC eba above reproach teise gotegerera abantu batali party to elections ngo advice inde abaki bechikura na abakirwa bechikura candidates and voters chinjira nechinyinge togo ikera abaki bechikura nabo toko baikera gwetere radio to ngacha abande over the radio to ramonde over the radio naende kubabori ase posters campaign materials muna chibana chi poster onde pues tigaikere abaki bechikura gwedera chiposa chiaya gwedera chibana chiaya onde tabaise gosalia campaign materials tabaise gosalia chiposta chionde chibana chionde bwensi kiro monto akore campaign freely na inu abamogo kore campaign abamule agents naende mule candidates tiga na inu gokora ebintu in a provocative manner muna bono ngende bwe opponent yane mmanyete nganero gwe yakere kura naende ngeko beka chiposta chiane wall yaye itakiaye obuno botumbafu beka tiga koba provocative tiga go chegia abande beka chiposta chao in common places on the roads beka in social places beka in common places egere mo manyekane lakini dali yoko genda bwe opponent yawo chiko mobekera bolele I think ine mistake
omokonyi bwomo na chibi no monene muswati Philomena Mwilu nigo bona mochirie abaiboli bali bakubasara abana banyaruka na kubanjira kunyomwa chinga kibatarakora chiskuru kolengana na Mwilu nigatebire eyo nembwa egwenerete gutigwa limorioka elyo kwenekia buna abana banyaruka banyaruka babakonyora chisemi elyo kwegendereria asamagimabo nigarenge ase county ya Narok chinga kichogo chengerwa kweli tuko lya bene lya basubati goselia abana banyaruka limanyikanite buna International Day of African Child abwase aboliri abaiboli koba asumustali obusyo kweneke buna abana banyaruka na barabonko ego baleri bagalia bene na gosoma eligucha wekonya asamatukali busyo.
Mambo ya teknolojia tunaangalia. Hao watoto tunasomesha hapa, hawasomi ndio warudi kukaa nyumbani hapa kuchunga. Si ati msichana akitoa matiti aanze kutafutiwa mzee. Mzee anaona ng'ombe. My friends, no. Hiyo tutakubali, na tukisikia unafanya vitu kama hiyo tutakuwa very serious and very harsh on you, and the law will apply on everyone.
I will remember that the children said they are forced to marry early so that their fathers can get a dowry of 11 cows. Despicable does not begin to describe that awkward culture. Educate her, and instead of getting 11 cows from a man who is her grandfather's age, she will herself buy you 1,000 cows.
Na barai ase Chinsa abo bakoragwa nomo Archbishop korwa Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria nigo bono akwaneire amange iguru y'oburai asense ya Kenya abo asabuliriya abakenya kubachora abarai abanya bali barachigwikirania amagenderero chinsemo chinga kibararosie serikali tigatoigwe engana ya Anthony Muheria oyoro murai ase kyombe kia Catholic Bishops.
Put taxpayers' money with impunity. Some disregard the rule of law. Some instigate deadly fights in communities, including tribal post-election violence, while others become bad examples to our children and the youth of our nation. We have often witnessed even physical fights among leaders or unrepeatable insults hurled at opponents. Our call this Sunday is a caution to avoid careless voting and focus on finding a servant leader in each of the 6 seats we vote for. Our nation, Kenya, will become the character of the leaders we give her. In the interest of responding to this call, we wish to focus on the following. 1, casual or careless voting. As we interrogate the worthiness of those seeking for our votes, let us recall we have a civic duty before us to execute in coming out to vote.
Kiombe kiria chorwamo ne kiombe kyobo choli ne chimbebe IEBC Dispute Tribunal Committee kirigererie mangana yokwe murungania korwa sabarai nigo bono giatenenirie na gutugutirare oyokuria ekirego kyobo senator county ya Kiambu Karungo Wathangwa abwase batebero na kurengana neri chiko taraisanira kuria ekirego ekyo tigatatagerera toigwe na kiombe kyo kyarwa orobotirwa ya iguru yenganejo.
Paragraphs 2 and 3 as follows. In its 113th sitting held on Tuesday, November 19, 2019, the County Assembly adopted the report of the Select Committee on the proposed removal from office of Honorable Karungo Thangwa, the County Executive Member for Youth Affairs, Sports, ICT and Communication, and approved a resolution requiring the said committee member to be dismissed pursuant to provisions of Section 46B of the County Governments Act. The purpose of this letter, therefore, is to deliver the above resolution of the County Assembly for your action in accordance with the provisions of Section 46B of the County Governments Act, read together with Standing Orders number 87, in brackets 18, of the County Assembly Standing Order. It is instructive that the term used under Section 46B of the County Governments Act is shall. The Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Member. In the case of Republic versus Council of Legal Education and another ex parte, Sabiha Kasamia and another 2018 EKLR, Judicial Review Application number 703 of 2017, paragraph 20 of the court, at paragraph 20, the court held, the word shall, when used in a statutory provision, imports a form of command or mandate. It is not permissive. It's mandatory as expressed. The word shall, in its ordinary meaning, is a word of command, which is normally given a compulsory meaning as it is intended to denote obligation. The Longman Dictionary of the English language states that shall is used to express a command or exhortation or what is legally mandatory. This means the governor would have no choice but to dismiss the complainant. The complainant's submission that he continued to draw a salary as a sitting member.
Umurai wekiama kia Green Thinking Action Party GTAP Kalua Green nigo bono aburiria abakenya kuringoria na kurigereria boikiranu abarai bari barigetie kubachora asobachori bumwaka uyu igakorengana na green nigatebire abakenya nigo bagwenerete gochora abarai babwata maroro amo nekirengekia asamagenderero y'abananchi nigarenge asensemo ya bukamba chinga keumirana n'ababwatani bekiamekyo abwase alireira yo kubwatesia abarai bari barareta magenderero asense ya Kenya.
Start things right. The first person, the first contact of your problem, where money has been devolved to the grassroots of this nation, is your MCA. Wakenya wengi hawajui MCA wao ni nani. Unaenda tu kujaza kiholela holela. Ndio kwa sababu tuko na wazee na tunaendelea kukosa vijana katika uongozi, kwa sababu hakuna sheria, hakuna kitu chochote ambacho kimewekwa cha kuhakikisha mambo ya vijana wako katika serikali na kuendeleza mambo tofauti. We must start right. We must recalibrate the politics of our nation, the leadership, in the best way possible. It is possible for the old people because it is not about age. It is about the mind and the caring of the people who is going to be what is going to be the difference.
Ensemo yabasae kurwase kiama kia UDA inse yabumwa Kenya Kwanza ime kaunti ya Nyeri nigo barireira yogo chakia umurobulyo bugotara enyumba se nyumba ilyo kumurigeria William Ruto chikura chinyinge kurwa Sorgongo ro Mount Kenya korengana n'abasabu nigo batebire buna nigo Ruto aisaine asobacholi bumwaka oyo asobaigo batuguteirare engana ya sibling rivalry kurwa Sabarai buna Moses Kuria amo na William Kabogo kurwa sekiama Giatu Jibebe wa Kenya Party abarorekanire bakomochia obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza buna agose ase okobatiga magega ase chi campaign chigendrete asorgongoro ro Mount Kenya.
Kuja kutuambia sisi ati hatujajipanga, sisi tunasema kula zote za Mount Kenya na especially for Nyeri County, this vote we shall vote for William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua. One thing why? Because wamekuja sisi wanajua mashida zetu, they know the mashida for Wajiko. Hajaanza huko, mipango yao haianze huko juu, wanaanza huko chini. That's why tunasema we as a grassroots lazima tukuje tushirikiane na naibu wa rais na Rigathi Gachagua, tukuje tuinue na tuuze sera za UDA. Hapo ndio tuko na hiyo ndio msimamo yetu. Hao wengine akina Kafogo, we want to tell them, Kafogo and Moses Kuria, wasikuje UDA kutupanga. UDA tumejipanga, and as youth of Nyeri County tutamwambia sisi hatupangwi. Si ndio tunapanga chama ya UDA especially here in Nyeri County. Na wasi tulete
Nara yo asibono mwanchu muligereria gikuraga ensemo ya bono botuko no chikanyora yo amana yanda mange asenchira yo boikirano igoto bese gusuka korwa Ndizi TV na robansu bumugusi John Kibati ne producer yo murubulyo yoiga na job no yitoko batarana komo asensemo yimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inche na ko yaretere asenchira yo bwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.
Ndizi TV ubwenso bwumugusi nigo bono yakini kirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogonko bwogusi niji kaunti chito etanaine buna kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nichisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo ontore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV